Welcome, Karthik, and thank you for taking the time out for talking to us. As you
Thank you.
know, Father's Day is around the corner. So we just wanted to chat up with a few fathers and, talk to you about your fatherhood journey. Maybe take you down memory lane a little bit and also see how well you know your children. So, are you ready?
Yes, should be.
Okay, so could you start by telling us a little bit about yourself and your children?
Okay, so I've been into sales for last now 20 years, 19, 20 years.
Right.
And I have two daughters.
Okay.
One is in class 9 now, and the little one is in class 5 now.
Okay.
So 2006 and 2010 born.
Right.
If you ask me, I'm probably one of the very few luckiest dad who has two daughters. And, you know, we we are we are our group itself. Three of us are a part of one group, and spending time with them is like spending time with my friends. Okay, so I keep giving that treatment. However, as they are growing up, probably I am losing that the friendship treatment with them. But
Uh,
let's see how it goes.
what are their names?
Being in sales,
Sorry, what are their names?
Gia and Gia and Peher.
Peher. Wow, that's a lovely name.
Gia and Peher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Now for so it's being I can't explain in the words.
Yeah.
It's being so wonderful. Last now Gia is what 2006, 14 years,
Yeah.
13 now 14. They are actually my they are actually solution of all my problems. Okay, they are the one where if I go evening and if I'm tensed, there is enough work pressure or all, just
Right.
go out when you are around with them.
Yeah.
Okay, and explaining it that how did I spend my fatherhood in last 16 years, I didn't even realize that it's being now 14 years, not 16, 14 years now. And explaining it, I'm trying and finding out few words which I can explain it, but otherwise I don't have words. Okay,
Yeah.
it has been so wonderful. And I'm sure for any dad who has daughters, the time is I always feel that they are going to be with me and with my they're going to be around me forever in my life.
Right.
If I would have been having son, you know maybe not so sure, because I myself is away from my family or from my parents. Okay, so I'm not sure, but for the daughters, yes,
Yeah.
I'm trying and recalling every possible thing
Every
that how
moment.
I
Yeah.
have spent. Yeah, yeah, it has
So
been wonderful.
yeah. So how is how is your relationship with your father, and how is that different from like you were saying, your relationship with your daughters?
So my relationship with my dad was the various journeys. So when we were kids, he has taken care of us in all. So I have one sibling, my brother. He's having his own business in Middle East. Uh, so when we were kids, in fact, we got whatever he could give us,
Yeah.
and the best part was he gave us freedom. He gave us freedom to express. Okay, so probably when I became teenage to my till the time I joined, I became arrogant with him. Okay, most of the time I used to argue. My views of life were different than his views of life, and I was not respecting his experience or his number of years which he has given to us, growing us. So we had from teenage to maybe until 2003, 4 or 5. Okay, the relationship was not going so smooth. In fact, the problem was mine. I was not able to understand that what actually he's expecting from me. The only thing he was expecting from me is a respect in my eyes for him. I realized it probably in 2006, that no, something wrong is going, and instead of me trying and correcting him every time, I should get corrected. So from that time and till today, our relationship has gone pretty well. Okay, pretty well. I have started expressing my respect to him. It's not that I was disrespecting when I was teenage to, till 2005 6,
Yeah.
but I had a different views of everything, and he had a different views,
Yeah.
and that was a clash.
Yeah, I think when you become a parent yourself also, your respect, I mean, so to speak, of the parents, in terms of what they have done for us, really goes up, right, when we become parents
To
as
some sort, I was lucky enough to realize it before Gia was born, probably because she born in 2006,
well. Right.
and I started realizing it from 2004 2005 6, yeah, similar time.
Right.
Okay. So I started giving back full respect to his thoughts, the way he see the word, the way he handles the problem. Even if I had a different view,
Yeah.
I expressed I expressed his view as a supreme, and my view as an alternate. The moment I started doing that, he started accepting my views. Okay. So
Right.
today he accept my views, or the way we deal with situations, with with full with full confidence. Okay, which was not there before. And I started giving him the full respect. I said, whatever you say is right. Okay, however, there is one more way of doing it. You
Yeah.
suggest how we should go about it.
Right.
And then that's how. So today it is much good, a much wonderful relationship between me and my dad.
And how has
The
your father influenced your success? How would you, in what
Okay,
way has he
so what?
influenced your
Yeah.
success?
So in fact, if I slightly twist this question, saying, what did I pick from my dad
Right.
of
Right.
being what I am today,
Yeah.
is so if you say, if anybody is my role model, is probably him. Okay, because he has one great attitude: never give up. Okay, that is something which I picked it up. Okay, he normally does not give up, even if so we have seen, every family has its own challenges, they go through with the different ups and downs.
Right.
The similar situation we also had, but he was the one who never gave up. One, two, he respected everybody, the entire extended family. He is he has respected, and in return what he got is a respect. Okay. So it's not that he tries and hates someone, or he tries and talk bad about someone. That's something he never did, and I think that is something which I picked it up pretty well. So
Right.
I
And
avoid speaking any negative about anyone. If I have a problem, I better go and speak to that guy. And
right.
the other thing is, I normally don't give up. You know me for some time now, and you know that these are the things which are you know so
Absolutely.
these two things I picked it up pretty well from.
Yeah. They say that sometimes we become like our parents. So maybe there are certain things about them that annoy us when we are growing up, but at some point in time, when we are talking to our children, we feel like suddenly, oh my God, I've become my mother or my father. So has that happened to you?
Yeah, the usual stuff, like when we were kid, we were studying so much, we were going on everything, and blah 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 blah.
Right.
So those usual stuff, yes.
Yeah.
But otherwise, as such,
Yeah.
in fact, my kids would be able to tell it better, that are we behaving the way they are.
Yeah.
As of now, it looks like no.
Mhm.
As of now, it looks like no. I can't able to recall anything for now.
Okay. Okay. So Karthik, now moving into a rapid fire round.
Hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions, around 10 questions, and you have to answer immediately. Okay, I'll give you about 10 seconds to answer.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. If you were to describe your fatherhood journey in one word, what would it be?
Friend.
Friend. Beautiful. What's your favorite thing about being a father?
My two daughters and spending time along with them.
What's your least favorite thing about being a father?
Expressing my anger sometime on them because of some other reason.
True, true. Yeah, all of us go through that. Have you changed your daughter's diapers?
Yes, once or twice, not much.
Okay. Okay. Do you fight with your daughters over the TV remote?
Yes, now we have in fact decided they watch the on laptop and we watch on TV. So
Perfect solution. Yeah. Okay, so can you tell me both your daughters' full date of birth? Date, month, year.
okay, 5th September 2006 and 2nd March 2010.
Great. Okay, so what is Gia's favorite movie?
Gia's favorite movie is Frozen.
And what is Peher's favorite book or movie?
His favorite book is that Narayan Murthy's wife book. What is that book?
Sudhamurti. Yeah.
Sudha
Yeah.
Murthy's books.
Okay.
And movie is also Frozen because she likes what normally her sister likes.
Right. Okay, so is there one thing that a father can do that a mother can't do?
Yeah, father. Okay, so what I do, I handle their anger. So they are normally angry on me. If everything else is going wrong in their life,
Yeah.
so they give it back to me. Okay, most of the time, which mother can't handle. Only father can handle problem.
Okay. Okay, so please complete this sentence. If I were not a father, I would be blank.
Friend.
Okay. What is a favorite piece of advice that you give your daughters?
Favorite piece of advice is be strong. That's all. Face whatever comes in front of you. Don't get worried about it.
Yeah. And would you like to share any one piece of advice for all the fathers out there?
Okay, so in fact, everybody talks about it. So I'm also going to speak about it. Try to be their friend. Try and understand. Okay, walk into the wear. So we keep telling our kids wear our shoes and see how the word is. In fact, we have to do the other way around. Wear their shoes and see how the word is. Okay,
Correct.
and so the irritations or the frustration will go away.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
that's all. Otherwise,
Yeah.
kids nowadays are smart enough to take care of a lot of things.
True. 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 Right. That was the last question. Thank you so much, Karthik. Thank you for being candid and thank you for sharing everything with us. And wish you a happy Father's Day in advance.
Thank you, Ankura. Thanks a lot.